my God, ma-aksidente ka pa dyan before tayo mag-drive pa uwi. Ako nang katulog. Hindi na pa ako 6 o'clock ready. Okay, let's go guys. Bali mo na kasi Jay. Mom.
Oh, Andrew, I got you. I'll top that.
You did it! You finally did it! Somebody's ready to go. Somebody's ready to go, huh? Good job. Are you ready to go, honey?
Yes.
Huh? I love you. Wow, you put your seatbelt all by yourself. I know. You did it all by yourself. Your daughter just put her seatbelt all by herself. Huh? Now why don't you take it off? You know how to take it off? Oh, awesome! Good job. 2 thumbs up. Good job. Good job.
How many stops do you usually make?
What you looking at?
We made a lot of stops on the way.
What you looking at?
Is it like a major highway all the way? Yeah, 2-lane. 2-lane highway?
You know what? Window out. They said there's an app where.
Yeah, already. Why, you have to go through tolls? Yeah, we did once. Oh, yeah, the app's Waze.
Yeah. Do you use that?
I just downloaded it when he mentioned it.
Oh, okay.
And after the fact, after we paid $5.
Oh my God. Oh my God, dapat i-charge yung mo.
Oh yeah, you owe JJ.
Ah. Cool. You did it. You're awesome.
Do you have cash?
I had like $2.
Oh, they don't accept debit?
They do.
That one just accepted. Just wanted cash.